In this video, I will show you how to get dark mode on ChatGPT. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So to get dark mode on ChatGPT, it's actually quite easy to follow, but if you do have any questions regarding this tutorial, then feel free to drop them down in the comments down below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And with that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here I am currently on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is of course open up a new internet browser. And once you've got your internet browser open, you want to navigate to the official website for ChatGPT, which is openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. And then from here, you want to click to open up ChatGPT. So as you can see, my ChatGPT is currently set to light mode. So what we're going to do is change this to dark mode. As I say, it's very easy to see. What you want to do once you've got ChatGPT opened is if you come right down to the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to see your actual account down here. What you want to do is click onto the three dots next to your account. So it's going to bring up some options, and what you want to do from here is just simply click onto settings, which can open up a window like this, and you want to make sure you clicked onto general. So if you look to the left, you've got data controls and general. And what you want to do is just click onto the theme section. And you'll notice there's a drop-down box, currently says system. So all you need to do is click onto the drop-down box, change this to dark, and that's going to change it to the dark theme straight away. So there's no save button or anything. So what you can do is just close down this box, and then you can just go ahead and use ChatGPT as normal in the dark mode. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop down below the video, leave a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.